Right, this is the latest reincarnation of my variable speed CVT transmission, and the other one produced so much torque I've taken a gear ratio out of the drive there. The wheels are now directly on the ratchet, they're no longer through a gear reduction. So off we go. Let the flywheel build up speed. That's going on quite happily. Then he hits that box there, and those wheels are still going around. It's now shoving the box ahead of it. It's now barging the box along the road. Take the box away and it speeds up again. And the supercapacitor is nearly flat. I've charged up a supercapacitor off the solar panel, and I would say it's operating at around half power, so that's not bad. And one thing you notice is that the mechanism doesn't flop forward so readily when the motor slows down. That actually reduces the effective gear ratio, so the device is not only force sensitive, in a way it is also speed sensitive. You see it's going into a low gear occasionally because there's little power. It's not going the whole way. So that is really not bad. They're a continuously variable transmission made out of Knex, and yep, it's cold. No, you run out of power. In fact, it's completely cold. I wonder what's happened there. Yeah, the little capacitor's gone flat.